Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with rectangular eyelets in squares pattern. This is once again a variation of net designs, you can call it. For this pattern we require multiples of 6 plus 5 chains to begin with. To demonstrate the stitch I am going to use baby pink hobby store Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill medium weight 4 color code 2032, and I'm going to use a 5.5 mm clover hook. Okay, I shall make the necessary number of chains and get back to you. I have made multiples of 6 plus 5 chains here. The foundation row or first row, foundation is chains. First row is make a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and fourth chain from the hook. You make a double crochet. You have the option of making it in the back bump or in the single loop there, no problem. Then place one double crochet in the next chain. Now chain 3, skip 3 and place one double crochet each on the next 3 chains. So that is why we have the multiples of 6 chains plus the extra chains required to start the very first stitch. So 3 gaps, 3 chain gap and 3 DCs. So again chain 3, skip 3, skip 1, 2, 3 and place your double crochets here. We will be ideally left with 6 chains here. I am going to place my last 3 DCs in the last 3 chains. Before that, chain 3, skip 3, this is yet another filling net stitch with a little variation. So we have finished the first row. First row is not counted in the repeat rows. Second, third and fourth rows are the repeat rows. Second and third rows are similar. Turn, place your first single crochet here in each of the next 3 stitches, first, second and third. Chain 3, again one single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. Chain 3, one single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. Chain 3, one single crochet in each of the next 3 DCs, and place the last single crochet in the third chain of the turning chains that we had. Yes, turn, place a single crochet, one single crochet, one single crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. Chain 3, skip the chain space, place one single crochet on each of the next 3 single crochets. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row here. I have completed row 3 here by placing the last single crochet in the last stitch. Turn. You can either start with chain 3, turn, or start with the standing double crochet on the single crochet here, very first single crochet. Then one double crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. Chain 3, and and 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 single crochets. So continue this pattern, repeat till the end. I shall meet you at the end. I have completed row 4. Row 4 is a BC row, rows 2 and 3 are the single crochet rows. So rows 2, 3 and 4 are the repeat rows. To end the pattern, end with a SC row, which is row 3. Alternatingly, if you want to start with the SC rows, you can do so. That's your wish, and it's optional. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you enjoyed this. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified as and when we upload new videos. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.